What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to transfer crypto from Uphold to Tangem wallet. So you might be wondering how to exactly do this. Well, this one is kind of simple. So first things first is you want to go ahead and just access your Uphold account. So just go to wallet.uphold.com or uphold.com here, and just log in. Now, in here at the right side, we have the option here that says anything to anything, which in this case is going to be the transaction option for our Uphold account. Now, since we want to transfer to our Tangem wallet, what we need to do is you just need to specify a few things. So first is we have the wallet, or in this case, the source. So in this case, you want to go and just click on it and just choose whatever crypto you currently have right now. So in this case, if you have like any crypto right now, you could just click on it and just basically use that for the transaction. Now, also, you want to go and click on the destination here, and you want to specify the destination or where you want to send this. Now, what you need to do is you want to make sure that you select the correct cryptocurrency here. So, for example, if you're saying Solana, go ahead and choose Solana here. So, for example, we want to send like Ether. Now, from here, you want to go and just specify a few things. Now, let's say in this case, you want to go and just specify the amount. So for example, I want to send like $10. That's just an example. You could also choose the repeat transaction here if you want to make sure you set this one. And you also have a take profit option here in Trial Shop here. But once you've done that, at the very bottom, you should have the option to preview the transaction. But obviously, in order for you to use this feature, you need to verify or complete your account verification process here. But typically speaking, on the next page here, it's just going to ask you to enter the address that you want to send to. Now, if you're wondering how to get your address here, this is directly from Tangem.com here. So what you need to do is you want to open up the app and you want to go and just click on the three-dotted option you see at the top right of the app here. Just select the desired wallet. So if you want to send to Ether, just choose Ether, and from then on you want to go to manage token section and just find the cryptocurrency using the search bar, and you will see the toggle button to the right cryptocurrency there, and just tap on it and the list of available networks will appear. Now obviously, since we've chosen Ether here, we want to just make sure to choose the ATH network as well. So yeah, you want to go and turn on, in this case, you want to turn on the network. I want to tap the save button. It may scan the Tangem wallet again. But obviously, you should also have the option to copy the address yourself manually and just paste it on the next pages here. But in this case, that's about it. So in this case, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.